Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. We will go ahead and see how to create a Spotify account, and using the Spotify account we will go ahead and request the artist data. So if you know how to go ahead and create an access token and request the artist data, you can skip this video and go to the next part, in which we will go ahead and do the data manipulation of the Spotify data. Now, in order to go ahead and create and request the artist data from the Spotify playlist, you need to first create an app. Once you create an app, then you need to request an access token, and using the access token itself, you have to request the artist data. So, how you can create an app? For creating an app, you go to this developer.spotify.com website. In this website, you have a create an app option. So, if you click on this create an app, it will be showing you this website. But before that, make sure you have a Spotify account already and you have verified your email address in that. Okay, so now this is my Spotify account. So I will be clicking on the create an app option. So in this create an app option, you see it says go to your dashboard. So this is my dashboard. Okay, I'll just go back because I have this open here. So in this go to dashboard, there is the create an app. So you need to provide your app name, your description, the website, and the redirect URL and your web API. So let me fill it up. So this is how your dashboard looks like now. So you click on this demo Spotify API, and this is your app created. It shows you the stats for it. You go to your settings basically, and you will find your basic information. So in order to create a access token, you will need your client ID, which is this. You can copy it, and you will need the client secret. So if you view your client secret, you just keep it with yourself so that you can go ahead and request the access token. So now this is my redirect URL as well. So in the next coming video, I will show you how to go ahead and get your access token, and after getting the access token, you can call this particular web API and get your Spotify artist data details. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a good day.